Guys, meron akong bagong bubuksang bagong dating na RC helicopter ngayon. So ito yung bagong labas ng WL Toys. WL Toys. 'Yun. Ito yung ito yung V398-C. Actually, toy grade na RC helicopter to. Coaxial and pwede siyang mag-shoot ng mga laruang rocket saka yung pwedeng yung tawag doon yung parang pwede siyang bumuga ng tubig. Yan. So tingnan natin yung laman. So V938-C. Ayan guys, bagong dating, mura lang, toy grade to. Nakitan lang ako dito sa laruang to. Nakitan lang ako dito guys. 3.5 channel V398-C. Mura lang siya. So 3.5 channel. So of course brush motor and then coaxial siya. Dalawa yung dalawa yung propeller niya. So basta pala siguro tinest na siya. Alright, so ito yung laman niya. Ayan, yung user manual. Built-in yung battery. Yan, ito yung laro ang liit, ang cute. Coaxial. Ayan, may siya parang baril-barilan dito. Pwede siya mag-shoot ng mga rocket na laruan. Yan, 3.5 channel, coaxial. Yan. May gear. So, yan. 3.5 channel. Right. Super cute. And then, let's see. Ano to? Ano kaya to? Parang napakadaming freebies ito mga sa RC car yata to. So ito yung RC helicopter. Yan yung mga yan. Tapos ito naman yung mga accessories. Charger, extra blades, and then yung mga rocket na sinasabi ko, charger and then screwdriver. So napaka basic. So ilalabas ko na yung charger of course kasi i-charge ko siya, then later test. Konting test lang dito indoor. Sa tingin ko indoor RC helicopter lang to. Kasi coaxial, wala siyang power. Hindi ko siya sa minamaliit pero naniniwala ko, I believe na she's not that powerful. Because may flybar pa siya and then yung propeller niya, yung blade niya is toy grade, coaxial pa. Right. But ito yung radio niya, yung controller. Nice. I like the remote controller, which is very nice. I love it. So may mga function siya. Ayan. Ano to? Rapid. 1P take off yata to. And then ito. Single shot. Ito. Single shot. Then ito yung parang high rate and low rate. Power button. Spring loaded. Cute ng ng controller. Then yun, 4 double A, triple A, yun lang, masaklap, triple A. 4 na triple A. Yun. Yung sa kabila. Ayun, triple A nga. Anyway, meron tayo dyan. Alright, so charge ko siya, then test flight later. Ang ganda ng remote So ito tingnan natin kung may on and off. Ayun, may on and off switch siya So charge ko na muna siya kasi I believe hindi siya fully charged. Parang lang siya, factory charge, which is hindi siya full because i-ship siya from the other countries, I think from China. So I think they were not able to, they did not fully charge the aircraft or the battery. So I don't know the battery kung siya, but the battery is built in, nasa loob. So okay, so I have to charge it. Right, so later on test flight guys, watch out.